Good evening, my name is Mohammed Jamal Jamil and this is my entry for InnoTech 2021. My project is designing a security system by using RFID for a company. The requirements for this project is using RFID technology and combining it with face recognition. The problems with existing solutions are that it usually uses physical barriers as shown in the picture below. These are large and it is very hard to install. People still bypass these systems. The objective of this project is to construct an RFID security system integrated with facial recognition, granting access to a sector of building. Also, to ensure that only the authorized user is allowed access. Lastly, to develop a notification system in cases of unauthorized access. This is the proposed system. Uses a Jetson Nano for people counter and face recognition algorithm. The RFID reader is connected to a Raspberry Pi. All the components communicate using MQTT. Before moving on to the working principles, this is how the people counter works. People counter program uses a MobileNet SSD to detect the objects and sort to track the objects. Sort assigns a unique ID once the bounding boxes has been detected. Depending on which direction the bounding boxes cross the middle line, it counts whether the person is going in or the person is going out. For this project, we are only counting if the person is coming in. This is the flowchart of the final system. First, the RFID is read and face recognition is running to identify the user. If a face has not been recognized, it waits for face recognition. Once the face has been recognized, it compares the name with the RFID name. The name does not match. It shows a warning showing that the user is unauthorized. Otherwise, the user is allowed access, but if the people count goes up more than one, it shows an intruder alert. Otherwise, the door is locked. This is the main output of the system. The red LED lights up when the people count is more than one. The orange LED lights up when the name from the RFID and the face recognition does not match. The green LED lights up indicating that the user has been authenticated and the door is unlocked. This is the web page for monitoring the door authentication. It shows the last access user and a history of all the users who has access through the door. This demonstration shows the user successfully authenticating using this system. And in this demonstration, the people count goes up more than one and hence shows the intruder alert. The advantages of this system is it requires very few components. That's why it's very easy to set up. And since it uses wireless communication, it can be deployed in many settings. The limitations of this system is that the lighting affects both the face recognition and the people counter. The camera angle and the placement also affects the accuracy of the people counter. So, thank you for watching.